Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the DNB mobile app stuck on loading screen. First, check your internet connection and then make sure that it is stable. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the DNB app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Then temporary glitches can often cause the app to get stuck on loading screen. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system. Check if the app is updated to the latest version from the official store. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. That's how you fix the DNB mobile app stuck on loading screen. Subscribe for more.